Basta lousy akong reactor, so sabi ko, bakit ka pa mag-react?
Mag-end na po ata yung...
Oh, okay. So, paalam na tayo. Di na.
Keep the zone, right? We are SV19. Hello, everyone. My name is Josh. I'm from Chicago. What's up, LA? Pretty still. Good evening, everyone. My name is Justin. Hello, my name is Ken.
Hello, fellow 18. This is Tita Theta from Honolulu, Hawaii, and welcome to the third episode of the SB19 Hawaii Show. Today, we have special guests all the way from California and Florida. So please, let's welcome them.
I came to the United States, sa California ako nag-stay. That was 1994. Tapos after maybe 6 months, nung nakapasa na ako sa boards, pinadala kami dito sa sa Florida.
So, my name is Jenny. I'm the wife of Mark. We were office mates before for like 9 years.
Love at work, huh?
Yeah, I moved to Lupa. And 2014, I moved to San Diego to be with him. For now, again, we're office mates.
Oh my gosh! What's your line of work po, if you don't mind?
So, I'm an accountant.
I got connected with you through my friend Luida Florendo.
Boom.
Who
Yeah.
is you work together in the same office po?
Not in the same office, but we work for the same agency.
I see. So today we are in our SB19 Hawaii show, and this is what brought us together. Yay!
Thank you both for having us.
Yeah, it's so nice that because we have connectivity like this, even though we're so far apart, I'm in Hawaii, you're in California, and your mama is in Florida, we are still connected. But you know what, the important one as well that brought us together is being 18. We're all 18, right? Does that include Mark?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
I don't know if my husband can be considered 18, but he's very aware, and sometimes he's like, when I talk about it, he's like, why, when are they coming here? It's like he's the one who's getting frustrated, more than me. Because
So, Mama introduced SB19 to us when she came here to visit us in, I think, around November of 2021. So since then, and then we visited them in December 2021 in Florida, and then we watched the concert, the online concert of SB19.
oh,
All of us together,
wait,
right?
the online concert during the pandemic pa?
Yes, 2021,
They didn't
December.
release it.
Is that the one? Is that the one where Ken cried?
I think yes.
Oh
And
my
then Josue was
gosh.
I remember Josue was the guest during that time. I think that's the Back in the Zone concert.
But I think it was done in no, I'm not sure if it's in Araneta, but no audience, no live
No
audience.
Yeah,
Yes,
no audience.
just
Ano siya?
online.
Online lang.
Yes, I think
Online.
that's the time where their families join them on stage singing Mapa.
Yes.
If that's the one, that's the time that Ken didn't expect anybody's coming from his family, di ba? Is
Yes,
that
yung
the one?
sister.
Yes,
Yung
the
sister
sister
niya.
and the uncle came. Oh my gosh. Well, I didn't know that concert happened. Of course, I was like behind, right? So when I saw that video, I was crying too. I think everybody cried. So with the
22.
Wyatt concert, were you able to go already since they went to the US?
Yes, we went to New York.
Oh my gosh, you went all the way to New York?
New York and LA? Was that
All
the
of us went to New York. Like seven of us, right?
So
Yeah.
you met up in New York since Mama is
Yeah.
in Florida and you're in
Yeah.
California. Did you have family in New York?
None. None.
No.
What made you decide to meet up in New York?
Well, because for me, I like to go to New York, but he doesn't want to. But now that SB19 has concert, he can say no.
Since he already know them and he's a fan.
He was already a full-time fan of SB19.
Mark, were you the
that?
only guy in that group of 7?
Yeah. No, two.
Oh, there's
I took-
another guy.
You know, Frida,
Apo.
I remember I sent you a message in
Oh,
one
you
of your
did?
blogs. Yes, and I thought
Did
was
I answer
telling you-
nicely?
because I was asking you if you will be going to the Wyatt concert. And
Oh.
you said yes, and then I said, "Oh, I'm doing some freebies, and I will save some for you." But I did not see you. Oh yeah, I did not. I have some bracelets.
Oh
that
my
you know,
goodness, that
fancy
is so
bracelet.
sweet.
Yeah, but I did not see you during
Yeah,
the Wyatt concert.
I didn't
But
make it.
Oh, really? Okay, the following year,
Opo.
we had
Pagtatag.
SB19
Pagtatag.
had concert in
Anaheim.
Los Angeles.
Yes, that's the one
that's
I
the time
attended.
I saw you with a group of ladies also.
Oh, you
I
did
think you
see
were
me?
four. You were four of four. You
Yes.
Were four? Yes. So
we were
you
all
have
wearing black with the hakule.
Yes, that was so cute.
Oh
Okay.
my
But I
goodness.
already ran out of this.
Sana nagpakilala na lang kayo.
We were having pila, line up for the photo shoot.
Aha,
And I
aha.
saw the four of you there. Oh my gosh.
Oh, you
It's there.
did?
I was ashamed I was shy, to approach you because I ran out of like that.
It's okay.
Next time, when they have the wakas,
Don't be shy.
Simula at wakas.
Oh my gosh, that is
Yeah.
so cute though.
I
That
don't
is
know
so
if you
that
remember
is so
that message.
18. Laging may nagbinibigay.
Na obsessed na sa mga boys. Oh.
Talagang you even made
pero-
that spend time making those bracelets, ha?
Oo, tiyaga talaga. Basta, fan ka talaga. Yung
Oo.
parang devout.
I know,
fan.
even me. And then, basta, ang dami kong regalo is in a box. Tapos dala-dala namin ng kaibigan ko. Sabi ko, oh my gosh, nakakaya naman ito. Bagong salta. May dala-dalang box. Tapos sabi ko, naku ba?
Buti box, hindi ba yung?
We can relate because when we went to New York Wyatt concert, we also prepared some gifts.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, Jenny, yes.
Right.
And
But
Mark.
I don't remember. But it's like what do you call it? Military.
Yes, it's a dog tag.
Nice. They would wear that because they're boys. Pero
Yeah,
hindi
and
pa ako
then-
nakontento dun sa isang box na regalo. First gumawa pa ako ng letter. Tapos yung letter, humaba ng humaba, naging notebook. Naging booklet.
Hindi,
Sa kadaldal ko kaya.
Talaga. Believe ako sa iyo. Talagang ang dami mong mga, para kang creative director din.
Pero si Josh is very talaga kasi nasa gilid siya, 'di ba yung nadaanan siya, tapos
Si Joshua yun
talagang
ang
unang
siya.
nagbate. Nakita niya yung lay namin. So, yun ang inano niya sa akin na, oh, parang talagang nakaganon pa kayo ha. Parang ganon. Tapos sabi ko, oh, we're from Hawaii. Ah, Tagalog. Ganon.
Oo.
Yeah.
Kaya lang ang may ano sa akin yung signature na picture. Nagkamali pa nga, no? I made a mistake in giving him the picture. It was Ken's picture. And he was saying,
Binigyan niyo siya ng picture ni Ken.
para for his signature.
Ah,
And he was
papirmahan.
surprised why it was Ken's picture.
Tapos, nahiya naman siya magsabi
So
sa
I gave, he
Pinasa niya kay
gave
Ken.
back to me and then binigay ko yung picture niya. Hinintay niya talaga. Ang
Oh.
bait ni Diyos talaga. Hinintay niya. Tapos,
Mabait sila
yun lang
talaga
na-sign
lahat.
na
I
niya
think
talaga.
part
Lahat
of
sila.
being who they are, that's part of their
Oo.
training. Di ba?
Oo.
Makikita mo
Oo.
talagang they have discipline. It's, di ba? It's like, I think tinuruan sila talaga. If anything they learn from that old company, it's like respect to their fans, di ba?
Yeah, oo. Tsaka si Ken, nakausap ko din siya for a few seconds. Sabi ko,
Opo.
Ken, taga-Pagadian din ako kasi Pagadian man we have
Si
the same
Ken.
birthplace.
Oh,
Pareho kami
nice.
birthplace.
Oh, how
Sabi ko,
nice.
"Tama
May
ka,
connection
Pagadian."
talaga, ha?
Talaga, sabi niya ganun. Tapos, nung paalis na kami sa sabi niya, taga saan ka sa Pagadian? he shouted, taga saan ka sa Pagadian? Sabi ko, sa city proper. Ah, ganun ba? Talaga,
That was
excited
nice
siya
though.
Yeah,
Kasi
he
you have to
really-
also think na itong boys when they're traveling, they're on their own, di ba? Even though may makasama
Yeah.
silang managers, iba talaga yung nakaka-connect kayo sa kanila kasi they will feel at home. So maganda po yung sinabi nyo na taga-Pagadian ka rin kasi yun, that would have helped him as well. Kasi sabi nila, Justin, at that time, parang he wasn't well. I don't know what they meant by not well.
Yes.
Diba?
Yes.
So-
Pero pagaling na siya noon.
Oo.
Pagaling na.
Yeah.
Oo.
So, naku, talagang 18 tayo. We're so sensitive about the little stories about
Yeah.
SB19.
May creativity
And I
ka.
don't know where I got my energy kasi I have 2 jobs. So,
Yeah.
Napanood mo ba yung kina Eric at saka si Stel?
hindi. My
maganda.
friend, okay, so, syempre after I know SB19, I was sharing it to different friends. So, yung isang friend ko na nakasabay, na sumama sa akin sa LA concert sa pagtatag, si Christy, she's in Murrieta. And then, Stel went to Murrieta. Pero she couldn't make it at that time and Stel is her bias. Sabi niya, Ate, it's my son's birthday and we're throwing him a party, blah, blah, blah. Nagkasabay. So she was so sad. Oh. Yeah.
Ang ganda tida.
Oh.
Yung
So pumunta ka rin?
Pumunta kami!
Talaga naman, ha? From Florida?
Dami natin, di ba? Ilan tayo? Ito, nandun yung sister-in-law ko. Casual na siya ngayon. Yung sister-in-law ko, casual. Malapit na mag-18 yun.
Jenny, Luida was telling me about what you did at work. Can you share it with our audience now that we have you here as our guest?
So yeah, every time I introduce SB19 to my office mates, because I always said, I always tell, my friends, I never get tired of their songs. Lahat ng songs nila, as in lahat talaga gusto ko, lahat pinapakinggan ko, non-stop, even nasa office ako or work from home. Sila yung kasama ko, literal na sila yung kasama ko.
Kaya,
and my office mates, my staff, they can hear me sing
Oh, talaga?
songs. So they're familiar with their songs. Yes.
And then I heard about the bowling team. What is that about?
Oh yeah. So we had this competition, right? It's like a competition. So we created a group. And we recruited Miss Lou to the team, and we call it 18 Strikers.
I know.
And she was like,
ang ganda.
oh, fan of SB19? I said, Miss Lou, yes! We've been a fan of SB19 for a long time.
So you only when you invited her in your group, bowling group, when she found out that you're an 18,
Yeah.
because you called your group name 18 Strikers.
18 strikers. And we also prepared a shirt with the logo with the 18 strikers.
Yes.
But she was so glad.
Yeah, I like the name.
Yeah. Ganda nga eh. 18 Strikers talaga naman. That's a good name. That's a good name. Pwede mo na siyang i-brand.
Wow.
I-copyright.
Copyright.
During the Wyatt tour, how many concerts did you watch? Just the New York?
And
Two.
LA.
LA.
Okay. Nakadalawa kayo.
Dalawa.
Okay, how about the pagtatag era?
Dalawa. Washington, D.C.
And LA.
and LA.
Talaga
And
naman.
we also went to their Wish Bus performances.
Yes.
In LA?
Second one.
Twice.
You went to the
Twice
LA one?
Yeah, both of them. During Wyatt and then during Pagtatag.
You know, pero when we were younger, we've been to Gary Valenciano, mga ganon. Lea Salonga, kung sino pumupunta dito mga Filipino, pero hindi yung talagang fan na fan. It's like you just go because, kababayan mo, you wanna support, parang ganon. Pero ibang level ngayon. With SB19.
Ba't kaya tinatawag ang 18 na OA?
Ayun. Kasi totoong OA.
Literal na OA.
Literal na OA.
Sabi ko, bakit tinatawag nilang OA ang 18?
Pero
Kasi nagagawa mo yung hindi mo lang normal na ginagawa. Diba?
It's really true. It's really true. Like, even myself, I cannot believe bakit na ako nagva-vlog sa kanila, mga ganon. Kumbaga, it's like, I cannot believe. And then, yung kotse ko, did you see yung plate ng kotse ko? Mahalima.
Mahalima. Kami nga rin, meron kaming nagawang DIY na light stick. Yung wala pa kaming light stick. Gawa niya.
At least creative. Hello, kayo lang meron yan.
Oo nga unique.
Dapat pasignan nyo yan.
Unique.
Oo nga, pasignan mo yan, Jen.
Kasi nag-iisa lang yan. Wala,
yung simula at wakas.
Pag nakita nila, sabi nila, is this our merch? Hindi sabihin mo, it's my merch. I wanted to ask you, what's your favorite song from SB19? Jenny,
Mapa.
Mapa po sa inyo? Mapa. Kasi
Ako hanggang sa huli.
Oh my gosh. Masakit sa puso.
Siguro sa akin Mana.
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 Wow. May dating kasi each of their songs may dating sa tao no? Lahat. So if there's a SB19 song that you want to dedicate to our Mahalima, what would that be? First, let's go to Mama.
Try. Dedicate?
Oo. Anong song gusto mo i-dedicate sa Mahalima? And why?
Ano ba? Wait, let me think.
Okay.
Ano bang mga...
Go first, Jenny.
Ano pa din, yung hanggang sa huli talagang i-stand ko sila. Parang nandun, yung support ko namin sa kanila is nandun pa din.
Oh, good answer, good answer. And si Mr.
Siguro yung wag mo ikunatin yung noo. Maganda yung message niya.
Because, what's your message po?
Yeah.
Dahil?
Dahil?
Yun yung message.
Wag may kukunod kahit na may nagdi-diss sa'yo, gano'n, ganyan.
That's
Pero
true.
tayo, di ba? Pagka may nag-aano sa kanila, may nagbabash.
Oo.
Pero ngayon parang stable na kasi sila Parang kahit ano pa yung sabihin nila.
And they've always been that way, di ba? Maski nung bago pa lang sila, hindi sila agad sumasagot unless, minsan, ang sagot nila is more telling 18, oh, stop fighting, di ba? Pero they don't directly address that other person na sinisiraan sila. They don't answer back. Which is a good thing kasi
Good thing.
sometimes yung naninira sa kanila gusto rin kasi parang clout chaser lang din eh. Gusto rin maging popular. Tulad ng the second guy that was siniraan na silang the whole group, hindi lang si Josh, 'di ba? Tapos ngayon, sino ka?
18.
Anong nangyari sa iyo? Kasi mas magaling pa palang 18 sa kanila.
18 na bahala.
18
18
talaga
na bahala.
sumasagka eh.
May kwentang pagka-OA.
Oh, yeah. Exactly.
I think that's why the boys are always grateful, 'di ba? Pag ending na ng mga interview nila, that's always they always say thank you, no? Kasi nakikita nila na we're always here for them.
Yeah.
Okay, Mami, ano po yung song na gusto niyo niyang i-dedicate?
Mag-mention nga kayo ng mga kanta kasi hindi ko na maalala yung iba.
Mana, Mapa,
Liham.
Ilaw. Ano ba ba?
Freedom.
Crimson,
Freedom.
Freedom,
Crimson, yes.
Gento.
Niebe.
Niebe. Ano pa ba?
Siguro, yun na lang second na paborito kong kanta, yung Niebe.
Dahil?
Kasi nakaka-relate ako nun eh.
Tapos, bakit po i-dedicate nyo sa kanila yun?
Ba't dedicate? Kasi yung hope ba? Yung hope na akala mo imposible.
Yeah.
Oo. Pero magkakaroon din ng light at the end of the tunnel. Kaya kagaya ko, naging OFW tapos hindi mo alam kung anong mangyayari sa sa bagong chapter ng life mo, pero there was hope. Kaya okay naman.
So you're telling our boys that whatever they go through, there's always hope, 'di ba?
Yes.
Tulad nung nangyari sa kanila about their name, 'di ba?
Yeah.
That was their
Tama.
darkest part of their life in a sense. Not just their career, it's their life too kasi imagine wala kang pangalan kumbaga. I mean, besides
yung
they have their
palang
own name.
yung palang question mo yung kung ano i-dedicate sa mga boys.
Opo.
Tama. Hope na nila. Oo.
Wow, that's nice. I'd like for you to actually talk to our boys. What do you want to say to them? Sinong mauna? Straight.
Okay, ako mauna. To mahaling ma, just continue doing what you love doing. Kaming 18, lagi lang nandito para sa inyo. We will support you. Sa lahat ng pagkakataon, magsusupport kami sa inyo. Hanggang sa huli. Siningit parang talagang hanggang sa huli. Excited na kami sa bago ninyong this album, Simula at Wakas. Basta, sana pumunta na kayo agad dito. We can't wait. We're excited. Super excited. And thank you for for the inspiration, for what's this, yung pride na binibigay nila sa Philippines. Kasi technically hindi na ako Filipino kasi US citizen, pero parang yung ano mo ba, yung ang tawag dito, loyalty, pagiging Filipino, talagang binuboost nila yon through SB19. Parang, mapapalapit ka lalo sa Pilipinas. Kahit na nasa ibang bansa ka, nasa Amerika ka. Pero yung heart mo talaga, syempre, sa Philippines. And then, isa sila sa... basta na, yung ginagawa nila sa Pilipinas is talagang commendable. Napaka, nila, they love Philippines talaga. We're rooting for you, kahit ano pa man ang mangyari. Sa darating na panahon, 18 will be 18. And we will always love you. Yeah. Thank you. Ikaw. Mama, ikaw.
May masasabi ba ako? Okay.
So, Mr. doesn't want to say anything. You're the speaker of the house.
Mahiyain po siya.
Mahiyain si...
Ano siya? Man of few words.
Siya ay si Joy. Junjun ang tawag ko, pero March. Siya ay si March.
Okay, Mama Stern. Go talk
Ako
to
naman.
them like you're talking directly to them po.
Ako naman sa mga mahalima, si Pablo, si Josh, si Estel, si Ken, and Justin. Ipagpatuloy nyo lang na maabot nyo ang inyong ibang dreams pa.
Because she treat them like her own, like a son.
Pinaiyak mo naman kami, Mami.
I know.
Okay po, continue po.
Sana huwag kayong mag-alala kasi nandito ang mga 18 para kayo suportahan sa lahat ng mga bagay. And I wish you all the best in life. At sana huwag niyong kalimutan magpasalamat sa Lord sa mga na abot niyong mga pangarap na hanggang ngayon ay patuloy pa rin ang inyong pagsusumikap para maging matagumpay ang P-pop music industry. Yun lang.
Yay! Oh my gosh, Mami, pinaiyak niyo kami.
Oh my God.
Wala na tuloy yung makeup ko. Nag-makeup pa ako na. That was really nice.
Mababaw talaga ang buhay.
Sobrang love natin sila. Pag may nagbabash sa kanila, parang mas nasasaktan pa tayo kaysa sa kanila, di ba? Parang ganun. Yung connection natin sa kanila.
Nice meeting all of you, and hopefully in person tayo magkita ulit.
Sana po sa this year na concert.
Yes. So, yeah, let's message each other. That was an amazing show, don't you think? That was so nice to have met a mother and a son and the son's wife, and they are 18 through and through. And it was nice to hear their story, and it was nice to meet them. So I hope that in the near future, you would see more of our guests. And if you want to be a guest in this show, please email me. and tell me a little bit about yourself. My email is thetapineda@gmail.com. So till we meet again on the next episode of the SB19 Hawaii Show. This is Tita 18 Theta Pilar Pineda from Honolulu, Hawaii. Aloha!
Sige po.